Nababa kabalin, welcome to Porac Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Porac Pampanga and we were invited by the Hidden Bali. So this is how it looks like dito sa likuran ko, guys. And we're still gonna tour you dun sa pinaka-villa natin, guys. I wanna show you more about this place. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Coming inside dito sa the Hidden Bali, a little bit sad kasi hindi kami magstay dito for tonight, pero we were invited for us to let you know, guys, that they are actually operating na. So the time na na-vlog natin to, few days pa lamang sila nagbubukas, and congratulations, I've heard meron na tayong mga bookings dito sa the Hidden Valley. So as soon as you enter, guys, ayan, bubungad sa inyo is, so this is the living area na al fresco, and marinig nyo dito if wala tayong mga pinapatugtog na sounds, itong mga, I forgot kung anong mga pangalan nito pero Bali feels as soon as you enter, guys. Dito sa left side ko naman, itong ating napakalaking swimming pool area. For me, the size is medium to large. Meron siyang isang section dito for the jacuzzi. Still here, dito sa baba, we have our dining area. We also have our countertop area for cooking. And isa pa sa mga gusto ko dito, yung billiard area natin. So you can actually, enjoy that table with your folks. Alright, so let's get inside. Tingnan natin yung mga rooms. Alright, so coming in dito sa first room, still dito sa first level, is yung unang room natin. So pansin nyo, guys, this room can accommodate siguro 3 person. If you're a family of 4 with 2 kids, pwede din siya dito. This room has its own toilet and bath, which is this one. And again, this room is actually air conditioned na rin. Let's go to the second level. So from here, meron tayong view dito sa garage natin. Actually, the parking can accommodate 2 medium to large na vehicle. Okay, so we have 2 rooms dito. First is the left and then the right. So punta tayo dito muna sa right side. There we go. This room has 1, 2, 3. Meron tayong 3 beds dito. So yung unang 2 bed is actually a double bed. Although it can accommodate each siguro up until 3. Maximum na yon. And then, dito naman sa side na to, we have a bunker or a double-decker bed. This one can accommodate naman up until 3. So, if you notice, this is very spacious. And then from here, meron na rin tayong balcony which has a view of the pool area. So, coming into the last room, actually they call it room number 1. Although, na-last natin siya dahil I wanna show you guys how special this room is, no? So pagpasok natin dito, bubulaga sa inyo itong napaka-spacious, napakalawak na bedroom na to. And we only have 1, king size bedroom. Ayan, no? So this can accommodate, a family of 4 siguro with 2 kids. But this is very suitable for, couple. Kahit mag-tumbling-tumbling ka dyan, pwede. Very noticeable sa akin dito, this large space, no? Itong bedroom na to, para sa akin, parang hindi niya tinipid yung space. Yung owners natin dito want our clients or guests to experience maximum space. Now, this bedroom has its own toilet and bath then, and also access balcony and view of the pool area. We're back dito sa first level, and now I'm excited to show you guys kung anong itsura ng ating pool area. Actually, this pool area is also an events place or function area, para siyang ganun, no? If you notice, meron tayong very spacious area dito that you can actually have an intimate event, an occasion, a party. If you notice, ito yung pinaka swimming pool area natin. Napakaganda, no, guys? From here, you're gonna have a view of the property. Look at that. Ang ganda ng property natin. And then meron tayong maliit na gazebo dito. Enough for you guys to chill. Konting kwentuhan, Siguro ganun, no? This is how it feels dito sa Hidden Bali. The property is actually situated in the middle of Palat. Sa Kapampangan ang Palat, yung parang talahiban. There's nothing in it. Para sa akin, if you're gonna have your event here, parang sa inyo yung mundo. Wala kang katabi dito na property or something that could disturb your event or your time. Para sa akin, guys, if you're looking for secluded place, no, yung talagang ikaw lang. Alright, so that is our quick tour dito po sa the Hidden Bali, Barangay Palat, Porac Pampanga. So if you're interested to book this place, guys, check out the number or the fan page we're gonna be including in the description below or here. Please follow staycations.ph. We're gonna be including this staycation dun sa website. Please follow and like We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to check out the Hidden Bali dito po sa Porac. It's an amazing place you're gonna enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Peace out, guys. Bye.